friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. It's my favorite time of the year because सर्दियों का season is here and I thought why not shop for some winter basics. तो मुझे मिले कुछ बहुत ही बढ़िया basics from Amazon for the winter season and these are like something you can have year on year and it's very useful. You should have in your wardrobe. So yeah, without wasting much time, let's get started. आते हैं to the first basic. Now before I go ahead, I want to mention that I will be having another part to this video जहाँ पे मैं और winter picks दिखाऊंगी which I've shot for because नहीं तो वीडियो बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा. So the first one is this very basic black sweatshirt. हर किसी के पास होना ही चाहिए. It's like a winter staple, I would say. So this is from a brand called Coty Store. सिर्फ 370 रुपीज़ में मुझे ये मिला है. हाउ अफोर्डेबल इज दिस. सो इट हैज़ लाइक सॉर्ट ऑफ एन ओवरसाइज्ड फिट सपोज टू बी एंड काफ़ी थिक है एंड इट इज़ वेरी वार्म एंड कोजी. आप अपने लेगिंग्स पे पहन लो, आप अपने जॉगर्स पे पहन लो, जीन्स पे पहन लो, किसी पे भी पहन लो. इट लुक्स वेरी स्टाइलिश एंड उसके ऊपर आप कोट्स वगैरह कुछ भी लेयर कर सकते हो. एंड फॉर गोवन वेदर जहाँ पे ठंड रियली उतनी नहीं होती है, इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ लिटिल बिट कूल, तो वहाँ पे समथिंग लाइक दिस इज़ वेरी यूजफुल. सो आई थिंक फॉर 370 रुपीज़ इट्स अ स्टील. आते हैं टू द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट विच इज़ अ क्विंटेसेंशियल विंटर हुडी. ये है फ्रॉम द ब्रांड कैंपस सूत्रा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई लव द कलर. इट्स अ डार्क ऑलिव लाइक डार्क खाकी कलर. तो आई एम वेरी मच इनटू दीज कलर्स राइट नाउ एंड क्वालिटी इज़ सो गुड. 800 या 900 के आसपास मैंने इसके लिए पे किया है. टोटली वर्थ इट एंड इट्स वेरी गुड क्वालिटी. जो इनसाइड है इसका उसमें भी द फैब्रिक इज़ सो नाइस. लाइक इट्स गोइंग टू रियली कीप यू वार्म फॉर जस्ट अ लिटिल बिट कूल वेदर. एंड जो जिप है उसका वो भी बहुत अच्छा है. आई लव दैट एंड इट हैज़ पॉकेट्स ऑन आइदर साइड ऑफ द हुडी. So this is what the back is. Plain है, simple है. So I just paired it with my black leggings and very casual. I could wear something like this to the airport. I could wear this when I'm going out for a walk or I'm just running errands during the winters and it looks very stylish. It's very comfortable and serves the purpose when you want something light during the chill days and even रात को अगर आप कहीं just टहल रहे हो and it's not very cold. I'm not talking about like super cold climate but थोड़ी बहुत ठंड में it's a very nice product to have and I love the color and I think for the price point it's so good. Okay, this is another एकदम important item you should have during the winter season. This is a quilted jacket. ये है from the Amazon brand called Symbol. ये उनका अपना खुद का brand है which has all these nice winter essentials plus western वाले जो भी products हैं. बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी की है. It was below 1000 rupees which is a great price point. Zipper is very smooth. I love that and it comes with pockets. It's a sleeveless quilted jacket. So even if you're wearing like a full sweatshirt, full sleeve sweatshirt या फिर turtleneck t-shirts वगैरह आप पहन लो and you can wear this on top. So it's going to keep you warm but it's not going to be like too warm also and I really like it because बहुत lightweight होते हैं. They're easy to pack and they're easy to wear when you're going on treks in a cool weather and things like that. It looks very cool and chic as well. इसमें I think 4-5 color options मिल जाते हैं but black is like a no-brainer because it goes well with anything and everything. And I think again for the price point it's very nice. This is how it looks on the inside. Good quality, very nice quality for the price point. And again I have just worn it on the same black leggings. You can see how it looks very nice and stylish and yeah, one of my favorite picks for today's video. Okay, agla product is just like for the very light cover up in winters. It's not really going to give you any protection from the cold but अगर आप अपना जो थर्मल्स वगैरह पहन रहे हो and you just want a very light jacket, then this is a good pick. This is from a brand called Miss Chase. और 900 समथिंग या 800 समथिंग मैंने पे किया है इसके लिए. एंड इट्स अ वेरी स्टाइलिश डेनिम जैकेट विच कम्स विद अ ड्रॉस्ट्रिंग एट द वेस्ट विच इज़ वेरी नाइस. Buttons all through, it has pockets and बहुत ही different सा है. So and it comes with a hoodie. Yes, that's another different thing here. So as I said, गोवा में ठंड तो ऐसे ना के बराबर होती है. So जब थोड़ी बहुत टेम्परेचर कम होती है, so for us it's like a good light जैकेट जब बाहर निकल रहे हो वॉक पे वगैरह शाम के लिए. सो या आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी नाइस एंड स्टाइलिश पीस टू चेक आउट इफ यू लुकिंग फॉर लाइक अ रियली लाइट winter jacket. Coming to my most favorite product of today's video is this long coat in a beautiful grey shade. मतलब इसमें dual shades of grey है which is so nice and literally like it's such a beautiful piece to have. I think 1200 something पे किया है मैंने. This is again from the brand Coty and it's in the large size. So stylish. It is very nice and warm. इसमें इस तरीके से लाइनिंग आ जाती है अंदर कोट के. It has a zipper, so when you zip it up, it goes all the way on this side and it has pockets on either side. It's a very stylish piece. And मैंने यहाँ पे पहना है with just my leggings and a t-shirt inside and it looks so stylish you guys. मतलब इसे पहन के literally like वो कभी अलविदा ना कहना वाली मूवी वाली फील्स आ जाती है. like you're walking on some very high end streets with a very stylish coat वाली vibe आ जाती है. And it's such a beautiful piece. You really have to get this one. I will add all the links in the description box and it's very good quality guys, very good quality and something that will go all the time. It will look stylish every single year that you wear it. It's going to look so nice. आप traveling पे पहन रहे हो या फिर आप जहाँ पे भी जा रहे हो पहन रहे हो. It's going to look so good every single time on every single person and I think I love this. It's my favorite winter piece in my wardrobe. So yeah, these were all the basics I wanted to show you all in today's video. I will be having a part 2 as I mentioned. This will have more winter pics from Amazon. So अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा then you know the drill. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.